Hello everyone. In this video we have a radical, logarithmic and exponential equation, and we have to find the values of x that satisfy this equation. We are given that the square root of 3 or this raised to the log of 2x plus 9 is equal to the square root of 2 plus the square root of x plus 1, all this raised to the log of 9. But we know that the square root of a number is the same as that number raised to the power a half. And so this implies that 3 raised to the power a half, all this raised to the power the log of 2x plus 9 is the same as 2 plus the square root of x plus 1, all this raised to the power a half, and all this raised to the power the log of 9. We also know that the number a raised to the power m, all this raised to the power n, is the same as a raised to the power m times n. And so this implies that 3 raised to the power a half times the log of 2x plus 9 is equal to 2 plus the square root of x plus 1, all this raised to the power a half times the log of 9. We can also write this in the form 3 raised to the power the log of 2x plus 9, all this raised to the power a half is equal to 2 plus the square root of x plus 1, all this raised to the power the log of 9 raised to the power a half. So this implies that 3 raised to the power the log of the square root of 2x plus 9 is the same as 2 plus the square root of x plus 1, all this raised to the power the log of the square root of 9. And this implies that 3 raised to the power the log of the square root of 2x plus 9 is equal to 2 plus the square root of x plus 1, all this raised to the power the log of 3. Now recall that a raised to the power the log of b is equal to b raised to the power the log of a, where a and b are positive real numbers. This property was proven in one of our videos, so I'll put the link in this video for those who are interested. So we can write this in the form 3 raised to the power the log of the square root of 2x plus 9, which is equal to 3 raised to the power the log of 2 plus the square root of x plus 1. And if you take logs on both sides to the base 3, we are going to have the log of the square root of 2x plus 9, which is the same as the log of 2 plus the square root of x plus 1. And this implies that the square root of 2x plus 9 is equal to 2 plus the square root of x plus 1, since the log function is an injective function. And if you square both sides, we are going to obtain 2x plus 9, which is equal to 2 plus the square root of x plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus the square root of x plus 1. And this is equal to 4 plus 4 times the square root of x plus 1 plus x plus 1. And this is equal to x plus 5 plus 4 times the square root of x plus 1. And so this implies that 2x plus 9 minus x minus 5 is equal to 4 times the square root of x plus 1, which implies that x plus 4 is equal to 4 times the square root of x plus 1. And if you square both sides again, we are going to obtain x plus 4 times x plus 4, which is equal to 16 times x plus 1. So this implies that x squared plus 8x plus 16 is the same as 16x plus 16. And this again implies that x squared plus 8x minus 16x is equal to 16 minus 16, which implies that x squared minus 8x is equal to 0. And if you factor out x, we are going to obtain x into x minus 8, which is equal to 0. And this implies that x is 0 or x is equal to 8. Now you can verify these answers by resubstituting in the given equation to show that they actually satisfy that given equation. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so.